नमस्कार, हांव साईदत्त कामत. आज हांव आयलो आसा डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट अँड एंटरप्रेन्युअरशिप श्रमशक्ती भवन पणजे गोंयांत. स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणल्यार कितें हें जरी खुबश्या लोकांक खबर आसा तरी अजून खुबशे लोक असे आसात जांकां एक्झॅक्टली स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणल्यार कितें हें खबर ना. स्कील डेव्हलप करून आपूण लायफाक कितें करपाक शकता हें खबर ना. कितें आसात सरकाराच्यो येवजण्यो आनी कितें सरकार आमच्या युवा वर्गा खातीर तशेंच बाकीच्या सगळ्या लोकां खातीर करपाक सोदता हें जाणून घेवपा खातीर आज आमच्या बरोबर आसात स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट अँड एंटरप्रेन्युअरशिप हाचे डायरेक्टर सर सकाराम एस गांवकर. सर, वी वेलकम यू टू द शो.
Namaskar, I am a Director Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of Goa. We are having many schemes, many skill development program. Under that we are having, actually the Ministry of Skill Development was formed by Honorable Prime Minister of India in the year 2015. And Honorable CM, this is a close to the heart of a Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir. He is giving a lot of importance to the skill development and entrepreneurship government of Goa. Under his leadership, we did a lot of his schemes. Lot of courses we have started. Drone technology, new courses such as a drone technology we have started. Fire technology. Under Tata technology, we have started 4 new courses. That is a 3D printing, advanced plumbing, IoTS, and robotics. See, actually drone technology we have started to to impart a skill to the mining affected area. The drone is a very useful nowadays, even for a agricultural, smart agricultural, even to spray a pesticide, insecticide. Under that course, we are giving a drone pilot license, which will be very useful to the agriculture purposes. Under a Chief Minister's Kaushalya Path, we have started a double degree program. In a government college, Margao, we have started 4 courses, cosmetology, COPA, etc. Colleges will get their degree, parallelly they will get a skill development also. They can get a job either based on the skill development or based on their degree. Under a PM Vishwakarma, we have started many artisans training in all 10 government ITS. Now we have started a dual system of a training. Dual system of a training means 6 months classroom training, 6 months in industries. We have signed a MOU with around 64 companies, which includes Tata Technology. Under a Tata Technology, we have started a hospitality sector in all 10 government ITS under a dual system of a training. Dual system of training, 6 months they are studying in a classroom and 6 months they are directly working in a Hotel Taj, and the placement will be done by Hotel Taj. So as of now, we are having a 80% of a placement. See, as per a new education policy or as per the present situation, if anybody having a single skill, they can earn money today. If they are having a 2-3 skill, specialized skill, they can do a wonderful job. There should not be any problem for a job in the future anywhere. That much commitment I can give you.
सर, म्हाका तुमच्या हाजेर एकच प्रश्न विचारपाचो आसा. एक म्हणजे तुमी जेन्ना हांगा खुबश्या गजालीचो उल्लेख केलो, यू मेन्शन्ड अबाउट ड्रोन, रोबोटिक्स, एडवान्स प्लंबरिंग. एक्चुअली दीज आर द थिंग्स वी यूज टू ओनली which we had heard during our childhood, and our parents used to say, please don't go into it, you just educate yourself first and then you can take like your advanced activities or as your hobbies. But today students are coming up, ते तातूंतल्यान त्यो स्किम्स घेवन त्यो स्कील डेव्हलप करून आपले एक वेगळे कल्चर तयार करतात and they go ahead in life. So how do you differentiate earlier life and today's life after 2015 as you have mentioned?
As I mentioned, see, every youth should have at least one skill. Without a skill, he will not get a job anywhere in the future. That is for sure. That's how we have put this department to impart skilling to many more youth. As I mentioned, Chief Minister's Kaushalya Path. This is a new scheme to bridge the gap between industries and supply. Actually, previously skill developmentaच्या placement, if you compare, now today we are having a more than 80% placement. And skill development, we are, as I said, we are going to sign a dual system of a training, 6 months classroom and 6 months in a industries. Many more companies are coming front to invest in the skill development. For example, Sri Ravi Shankar. Technical Foundation, they have given tools and equipments worth of rupees 75 lakhs. They have established center of excellence in solar. They have established center of excellence in electrical at ITI Farmagudi. Putmaster has given around 30 lakhs tools and equipments. They have started advanced welding at ITI Panjim. Even today, see, welders are not coming for the trade. Today, welders per hour they are earning 800 rupees. You take a X-ray welder, you take a MIG welder, you take a 6G welder. There is a lot of demand. People are not aware of those skills. They have to come take the advantage of this skill and start of their own. They have to work. So that way we have signed Goa Shipyard MOU. As I mentioned, we have signed with the Hotel Taj. These are the companies are coming front now to invest in a skill development. They are training. Now Daikin has signed a MOU with ITI Farmagudi in RAC trade. In a year, they are training 1,000 RAC technician in Goa. They are giving a equipment, they are training, and they are giving a job. See, now there should not be any problem for a job. Otherwise, youth, what they are doing, they are going for a general education, they are not having a skill, they are not getting a job, and they are asking for a job. Who will give them a job?
आणि म्हाका दिसता एक प्लेसमेंटाचो प्रश्न आसतालो तो सदांच तांच्या तकलेक उरतालो की बाबा आपूण जर तर ह्या कॉलेजींतल्यान पास आउट जाता आपल्याक प्लेसमेंट मेळटलो काय ना, जर प्लेसमेंट मेळना जाल्यार फुडें कितें तें म्हाका दिसता तुमी हांगा सगळ्या कंपनीची जी नांवां घेतली, फॉर एक्झाम्पल डायकीन, ताज जावं किंवा आनी
जागवार आसा, गोवा शिपयार्ड.
करेक्ट. सो म्हाका दिसता ऑलरेडी हे प्लेसमेंट जे आसा ते तांच्या दारादारांनी म्हणल्यार आमी कोता येतात. सो तांकां कोणाकच भिवपाची गरज ना. एक स्कीम जाचो तुम्ही उल्लेख केलो ती म्हणजे विश्वकर्मा स्कीम. आणि आम्ही प्रधानमंत्र्याच्या तोंडांतल्यान मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या तोंडांतल्यान सुद्धा आयकतात की विश्वकर्मा स्कीम जी पळय आसा इट हॅज बेनिफिटेड लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल. सो आय जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू हायलायट अप ऑन दीस Vishwakarma scheme because lots of people they don't know what exactly this Vishwakarma scheme is.
Actually, Vishwakarma is one of the best flagship scheme of government of India. Under that, there are 18 artisans to be trained, traditional artisan to be trained. One is a sculptor, murtikar, toy and doll maker, darji, mason, dhobi, etc. And all government ITIs we have started this training, and they are doing a wonderful job. As on date, there are 34,000 of candidates are enrolled. There is a huge rush, and we are training across the state for a Vishwakarma. Even Vishwakarma, suppose the carpenter trade is available somewhere at a Kakora, and if he is traveling from somewhere at a Pernem, we are giving them a TADA. So this scheme will give them a per day 500 rupees apart from their TADA. That is a stipend, and 15,000 worth of rupees tool kit will be given to them. It is too good. Even artisans are telling that they never seen such tools in the past. So these are the very beautiful. And our one of the instructor is got a national award. He went to Delhi now to receive.
Okay.
Under a Vishwakarma. He is a carpentry artisan.
So he is a beneficiary.
He is not a beneficiary. He is a trainer.
Trainer. Okay. Okay.
He was got a good trainer award.
Okay. So this is like a overall picture you have given clearly, because what we can expect is we want good students to join these courses.
Yes.
We want them to get certified and job opportunities are there. म्हणजे आम्ही जेन्ना जॉब ना करता म्हाका दिसता स्वताची स्किल जर तर आम्ही डेव्हलप करत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता देर विल बी लॉट्स ऑफ जॉब opportunities. In the end, Sakaram sir, I would like to ask you one question, and that is I want you to say something about your connection as a director with Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and what is that one message you will give to our Goan youth regarding this program?
I appeal all the youth, come, join and take a skill development course for their future development. In the future, without a skill, no jobs are available. Take a skill and earn. If you are having a more and more skill, more than one skill, you will earn more. That is for sure.
Sir, I think your message is very much loud and clear, and it's not just about those who are joining this course and the program, but also about their parents and entire family. कारण तांकां सुद्धा दिसला आसतलें की आमच्या घराक कोण तरी आसा जो आपली स्कील स्वताची डेव्हलप करून आमच्या खातीर कितें तरी मुखार वचून बरें करपाक शकता. आणि होच आसा स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट आणि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिपाचो जादू. तुमच्या पांयाचेर स्वबळाचेर तुम्ही खूप कितें करपाक शकतात. मनशा कडेन आसपाक जाय ती फक्त जिद्द, ताकद आणि खास करून स्कील. देव बरें करूं.